Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me Refat from lifeforchoice.com. Today I am going to discuss about Dr. Joe Dispenza's book Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. I downloaded in my Kindle and I have read this book last year, and I thought today I am going to discuss, and this book has profound effect in my life, in my journey. So that's why we are going to discuss how to create absolutely new version of yourself, how to create your new reality. So according to Dr. Joe Dispenza, in this book, basically he is describing that our external circumstances, they are the reflection of our thoughts, feelings and beliefs. So the thoughts, feelings and all the convictions we believe to be true about ourselves, and these thoughts and feelings we believe to be true about the world around us, about the people around us, we keep creating our outer circumstances. So how we install these beliefs and thoughts, it all depends where we grew up and how our childhood was like, and all the external situation we had, where we raised up, where we grow up. So we keep collecting, we keep gathering that information, and we start thinking certain thoughts and start believing certain thoughts according to the situation we raised in. And we have basically created a loop around us. The things we think to be true about certain situations, we keep creating the result. So when we have created this loop around us, then we are the one we can change this loop. So how we can change this cycle and this loop we have created, because we unconsciously created this loop. Now in this book, Dr. Joe Dispenza, he gone in more depth how we can dismantle this loop and create totally new version of yourself, and you can create the outer reality. If you will be keep thinking the same way and doing the things in the same way, then you will be keep creating the same situation again and again. We cannot create something new. So if you want to change your circumstances which you do not like, if you want to create a new reality, so we have to create new you as well. So then you are basically we are creating our reality from inside out. So there is a neurochemical relationship between the brain and body, and Dr. Joe Dispenza, he gave a diagram in which he's showing how our thoughts and feelings are interconnected. When we think certain thought, our brain produces certain chemicals in the body and we feel certain way. So when we change the way we think, we change the way we feel. So there is a loop of thoughts and feeling is called the state of being, and we are changing the state of being by creating the new thoughts, by creating new beliefs. There are two main steps. First is self-awareness, and then build the new belief. For the self-awareness, you have to do with self-reflection and meditation. I will go in a little bit more detail after. So for self-awareness, the reality in front of you, you do not like it. So you ask yourself a question: what this reality or this current situation is reflecting back to me, and what this situation is teaching me, and what do you think, which type of beliefs and what do you believe about yourself, believe to be true about yourself. That's why that is in front of you, that situation is in front of you. So what do you think about the situation, and what this situation is teaching you, why you have this money situation. If you are looking for the money situation, change the money situation, what you believe to be true about money, and what you are what this situation is teaching you. It basically reflecting you that you have certain belief you need to change. If you are observing the behavior of people you do not like, and if you having certain relationship pattern you noticing, then all these situations are reflecting you that there is something need to be changed, so outer situation can change. And next step is to build new beliefs, make new conviction, and the best way is to affirm daily and detach yourself from the external validation, and look for the proof, look for the evidences. Evidences and proof, I mean that your beliefs are working. Any tiny little change, appreciate yourself. Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working. I do not mean that you go out and see it is here yet or not, it is here yet or not, it is not here, and do not judge yourself. Be constant with your new belief, new conviction. And as Neville Goddard say, when you constantly assume and constant assumption, they harden into fact. So keep continue with your new belief, with your new conviction. And another thing is like live from your new conviction, live from your new reality. And basic idea is that you have to convince yourself that is true, your new reality is possible and it is true, and how it will make you feel like, how this new reality looks like, and how it will make you feel like. So basically go from the feeling of your new reality. You have to convince yourself. And meditate daily. Daily meditation help to change the chemistry of your brain. And I have done one video where I mentioned 20 different advantages of doing meditation. I will add the link so you can go and listen that video as well. So meditate daily and be aware of your current beliefs and thoughts you hold about any particular situation, and then install your new belief and live from your new beliefs. Convince yourself that new beliefs are true for yourself, the situation you are looking for and the new reality you want to build, that is true for yourself. That is a way to change your current reality and make the new version of yourself. So for example, if you want to reduce the weight, if you want to increase the weight, or you want to improve your health, or you want to improve the relationship situation you have, so first of all you need to write down all your current beliefs you hold about the health or about the relationship, and what do you believe to be true about in these certain areas, and then build up the new beliefs. And when you build the new belief, write down the new conviction and affirm them daily, meditate daily, and then visualize yourself as a newer version. Visualize yourself from the newer reality, and find the evidences that this is working. And for example, for the health goal, you see yourself like what you will be doing, what you will be eating, and you're going to be doing some yoga, you're doing some exercises, going for a walk, you're doing skipping, or whatever you are going to be doing. And when there is a slightest change, then appreciate yourself and take it as an evidence. Yes, it is working. Appreciate yourself. Yes, it is working. Keep collecting evidence that your new beliefs are working. And when you constantly keep doing that, you will soon develop your new reality, and you will be creating a newer version of yourself. So that was my thoughts about this book overall, and let me know how did you find it. I found it really helpful, and in much more depth this book is. It helps you to break the habit of being yourself. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.